another one on this side. Look at, they're so mad, she just said.
Lily, look at.
Are they so mad?
Look at. That tickles.
Are they tickling you when they're going by?
I don't think it tickles. Where's that small? Look at that shark.
Look at that.
Stingray, Lily. Over there. Stingray. See it? Swimming? It's right there. Right there.
Hey, everybody, look here. Ashley, slide over.
She wants to see a stingray. She doesn't like sharks because they're angry, right, La?
Lily.
Tell Mommy. She'll dance for you.
Go on.
Sing your song, Lily. One to catch, one to catch. Oh, look at him. He likes your song. Yeah, she likes that. She's like, yeah, keep singing to me. I like that. Sing it, Lily.
She's not going to fly to you. No, not today.
I'm holding her toe right here, so she won't go anywhere.
You want to sing?
Sing to her, Lila, and she'll dance.
Say
You want to give her a kiss?
She likes that song. Can you make this noise?
Can you do that?
That's how only know. That's what a kiss is.
Oh, she liked it.
That out? There you like that.
Say, blow him a kiss, Lily.
And what she's doing right now is when birds really like their owner or their boyfriend or their girlfriend, they actually will share their food. And so Only's trying to share her food with me right now.
Oh, wow.
Thank you, Only.
Thanks, but no thanks.
That's the highest compliment a bird can pay you. It's kind of gross. Should only do that in private. You're not going to make the noise back. Stubborn.
Sing your Wonder Pets, Lily.
Yes.
Fly.
Fly, but we want her to stay here with us. She can't fly though.
Can you say bye-bye?
She's sharing her
She's
food
sharing her
with
food
us.
with you.
It's so friendly.
That means she likes you.
Can you say bye-bye to her and nice to meet you?
No, she's not mad.
She's very happy right now. That means Only's.
She's sharing her food with you.
She's
She
sharing
likes
it.
you.
You want to share her
Food
food?
for her.
It's a good mixture of
Go on.
That's gonna be